In this video, you will see the steps to transfer server export data to your EPM IIS server. To begin, identify the set that you are going to be using. Each of these exports are done set by set. So, in this demonstration, we are using a demo set. Copy the ID to your clipboard. Select the Set Exporter file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Put in the set ID. You will want to add an encryption key. Be sure to use something complex. This is to ensure better security when encrypting this file and then decrypting it. The export is done. You should now have an XML file. In the next step, you're going to take the XML file and import it into EPM SAS. For more information, check out our online resources.